Meaning of immeasurably.
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 Immeasurably. Immeasurably means that something cannot be measured or quantified due to its vastness or intensity. It often describes things that are beyond comprehension or comparison. For example, the feeling of love between two people can be immeasurable because it cannot be quantified or fully understood by others. The beauty of nature can also be immeasurable because it is so vast and varied. In essence, immeasurably implies a sense of enormity, depth, and complexity that cannot be fully grasped or expressed in simple terms. It suggests that something is so profound that it transcends human understanding and defies measurement.